In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a DAX formula to find the best-selling product in Power BI for the year 2025. This powerful feature will help you quickly identify which product is leading the sales chart in your datasets, a valuable insight or business insight for business decision-making and optimization. Now let's dive right into it. First, we need to open Power BI. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download the latest version from the official Power BI website and install it. Once you have Power BI up and running, you're ready to begin this exciting process. After launching Power BI, you'll notice several options on the screen. To access the critical functions we need today, look towards the top of the interface, and you'll immediately spot the Home tab crisply lined up among other tabs. Within this Home tab, you'll see an option to create a new measurement. Click on that, and this will allow us to begin crafting a custom calculation tailored to uncover our best-selling product. When we talk about creating a new measurement in Power BI, what we're essentially doing is crafting a formula, a data analysis expressions or DAX formula. This formula helps us perform data analysis by generating insights based directly on the dataset we're working with. For our interest today, we'll employ a DAX formula specifically designed to calculate the best-selling product. Once you've clicked to create a new measurement, a formula bar will appear at the top of your screen. This space is where we'll be inputting our DAX code. It's essential to be accurate here, as the code we enter will determine the functionality of our new measurement. In your formula bar, type in the precise code you'll need. Unfortunately, I cannot share specific coding steps directly here, but ensure your DAX formula includes a calculation for sum total sales or revenue sorted in descending order. The logic is straightforward, as you want to pinpoint the product with the highest sales numbers rapidly. Once you've input your code, confirm the formula by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Instantly, Power BI will run the calculation across your dataset, uncovering and displaying the product that led the sales pack. This data-driven insight can be a game changer for strategic planning, allowing you to spotlight what products resonate most with your consumers. Take your time to review the results. If it all looks good, you now have a reliable method for instantly pinpointing your best-selling product in Power BI, empowering your data analysis and enhancing strategic decisions. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a DAX formula to find the best-selling product in Power BI. Keep practicing with different datasets to sharpen your skills, and soon analyzing commercial data like a pro will be second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.